Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to get WordPad back on Windows 11. So starting with 24H2, I believe, Microsoft decided to remove it. So if you do a search for WordPad, you'll see you have it here, but it's only a web search. And it did find this installation file, which I'll be talking about in a second. So we did a video recently on how to get WordPad back by taking the WordPad files from an older Windows 11 or even Windows 10 computer and then copying them over into your current Windows computer. So I'll put a link in the description for that if you want to try that method. But today we're going to be talking about a third-party way to install WordPad. So we're going to use this WordPad for Windows 11 by Winaero. So once you just download it and unzip it, it's an executable file. So we'll just double click it to start the setup. Okay, we'll just go through with the wizard here. The first time you run it, you might get a message from Windows saying, we don't know who this publisher is, and do you want to continue? And then you have to continue to move on. All right, we'll keep the default installation directory here. You can decide if you want to have it for all users or current user. And click on install. And we'll just uncheck these for now. All right, so now we have our WordPad icon. And now we can double click it and we have WordPad. And if we do a search for it, now we have it here in our list. And we can run it that way. And then you should also have it under your all apps here. Like so. And then of course you could pin it to your taskbar, your start menu, whatever you want to do. So you can see it's a pretty simple way to get WordPad back on your Windows 11 computer. So if you'd rather install something like this compared to doing the other method, you could do so. All right, so like I said, I'll put a link in the description for the other video, and then I'll also put a link in the description where you could download the WordPad installer and do it this way. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.